it's Monday. I just had Italian there, and now I'm gonna take a parcel back because I ordered this t-shirt from Pretty Little Thing. I ordered a few t-shirts, but I was actually really excited about this one, and it was pink and it said Paris on it. I'll put in a wee picture, and this is the colour, dark red. It says red on this, but on the wee receipt thing that you use to like send back, it says pink, so I'm a bit confused. So I'm going to take that back and I'm going to walk around to my grand's and get some eggs. So I was like, oh, can you make me French toast because we don't have any eggs? But to be fair, I'm actually going to the shop to take the parcel back so I could just get eggs there. Well, I've told her I was going to go downstairs now anyway. And while I'm on my travels out and about, I'm going to listen to some French videos. I might listen to my lecture actually, that's quite smart, eh? Yeah, I should have already watched the lecture by now and I haven't. So I'll watch it, I'll listen to it rather. So yeah, I'm going to show you my outfit because it's like pretty cute, it's really pretty cute. So I got this little white sweatshirt from Primark the other day. Oh, was it yesterday? No, the day before when mainly one in Edinburgh. And it was only £6 and it's so nice, like my mum's like just ironed it and it just looks lovely. And then these joggies are from Pretty Little Thing. I've not actually wore them yet, it's the first time I wore them. How nice is this colour? I'm absolutely obsessed, they're so nice. My hair, still purple. Anyway, let's go. Also, I made my bed. I don't usually make my bed because my mum usually makes it. But look how nice I made it today. It's pretty nice, Hello. So I'm just doing some uni. I had a wee Italian test there. Got 85%, not bad. It was like a wee listening one. I've never like done one like a Italian listening before. I actually listen to these numbers, right? Listen to this.
243.597.
Actually listen to that number, like what does that even mean? What have I got? So I've got French tomorrow. So I've got a few things I need to do for that, and I've got like an Italian like video that I need to submit of me kind of like introducing myself. It's to be like a minute, but it's like just because I need to video myself. I mean I'm videoing myself now, but it's just a bit like, oh. I think I'm just need to say like my name, age, where I'm from. I don't really know much else to be fair, but might do that today just to get it over with. It's due like next Monday, so I'd rather just get it done with, you know what I mean? I've got a lot of like French reading to do, like reading like grammar stuff. I want to go back to sleep. Okay, so I got the video and I've ended up saying my brother is called Sam, but I've said I said si chiami instead of si chiama, and I don't know if I'm gonna need to video the whole thing again, but I've got it like perfect. Like I've actually just tried it about 15 times, man. I keep messing up. I don't know what to do, if I just like take the mistake, like if I just like accept it. I really don't know what to do. I really don't want to do it again. I didn't really vlog much last night. I was just in uni, but now I've just got my French tutorial. I'm so tired. I want to go back to sleep. Hi guys, I'm just at Liam's. Just went to the co-op. I got Lunchables.
Oh, I got him,
I was gonna get a toasty, but the place was shut, so.
Very good,
I also got a Capri Sun, a strawberry water. What were you wanting? There's nothing else in this. My phone's using it. And I got an Iron Brew Energy because I feel like it does actually wake me up a wee bit, and the taste isn't like, it's not awful, but I don't really like it. So I'm just going to have my Lunchables. And then I've got Italian soon for an hour. Not allowed any, by the way.
Don't want any.
Only for me.
I don't want a lunch. Can I let it? It's pretty decent.
Okay, bye. Hi. So, sorry, I didn't even vlog last night. Me and Liam were just doing some uni, and now I'm just going out for some food with Hazel. I'm so excited. We get pizza and pasta. Oh, wasn't. I like washed and dried my hair, and I've just like straightened it a wee bit. She's kind of cute. I kind of love it. My nails and my blazer thing actually matches my hair. Kind of love it. So I've got velvet teddy on. I've actually not worn it in like so long, but I just forgot how much I loved it, you know. So this is my outfit. I just got this little high neck thing from New Look. This little blazer thing is from H&M. It kind of needs ironed, but I don't really have time for that. And some mom jeans and just my Air Force. What day is it today?
It's Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
What have we been doing today?
You've been doing nothing. Nothing up and doing uni. But
first of all, you're not even in the video, like, you're actually looking at the camera and you just can't see yourself. That's a big lie. I've probably got more done at uni done than you today. It's not even funny.
Kidding.
We watched High School Musical 3 tonight with Sam. Have I said this, that we watched High School Musical 1, 2 and he really liked them because he'd never seen them? So maybe watch 3 tonight. You'll probably say no, but come on, it's a really exciting day, isn't it? Well, you're not coming, but
I know. Sad days. You're going Alpaca walk.
don't tell. Come on. We're going alpaca trekking.
Sam asked if you could ride them.
It's a good question. Anyway, yeah, today nothing exciting plans. Just want to get uni done so that I don't need to think about it like Saturday, Sunday. Bye. A bientôt.
A bientôt.
Well, of course, you gotta believe it. You and I, all the things.
Sure pain, what's his name?
Sound exciting and fighting. Let's do it then. Personal stylist, agent, and a publicist. Where do I fit into this? With you, we can win.
whatever it takes.
So I'm just editing this, and coming up shows a really big long clip from Endgame that I've decided to video. I don't know why I've done that, because I know I need to edit in the future and I know it would make me upset again. But I don't really know where to cut. Like, I don't know where to stop and start it, do you know what I mean? Because I can't leave anyone out. Like, I went to start it just like from Black Panther when you see like everyone, but then just before that, like, you just see Spider-Man and these wee masks. Ignore that, Neil. I just get so emotional. Like. Anyway, I'm just going to put in like a wee tiny snippet. Just like a wee tiny one. I'm not missing anyone out, I swear. Like, I'm not. I don't have favourites, can I definitely have favourites. Who would your top 5 be, maybe? Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Black Widow, Black Panther. No doubt about it. No doubt. No hesitation.
Assemble.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Where are we going, Sam?
We're going to an alpaca farm for an early birthday present.
You excited?
Yeah.
How
Think
about
we
your
could
buzzing?
got baby alpacas?
Wait, you can ask.
Don't see why not.
They might give you a baby one because you're smaller.
Yeah. I was
That's
thinking
true.
about that. Could you give me a baby horse? Where was it?
That's because you were riding the horse. You couldn't ride the big massive one.
That's true.
At Centre Park, sorry, talking about. Yeah. So yeah,
Much of buzzing.
me too.
Me too.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.